Thank you, Principal, for taking a time to meet me. I have heard a lot about your school, and now I am considering to enroll my daughter in your school. So, can you tell me why should I choose your school, and what makes your school different from the others?
Good morning. You stayed right. Our school is different because our school focuses on both academic excellence and character building, which help students to become well-rounded individuals. And most importantly, discipline is central to our approach. We believe that discipline is key to success. We encourage students to develop responsibilities and respect for themselves and others.
Yeah, discipline is very important to me. My daughter sometimes struggles with following rules. So I want to ensure a well balanced school life for my daughter. So which type of extracurriculum activities and sports does your school provides?
As you see so far, we have a huge playground and a variety of sports programs. We believe that physical activity is also a vital part of our curriculum, this promoting teamwork, health, and brotherhood. We encourage students to explore different types of sports and extracurricular activities.
That's great to hear. Physical activities and sports are really necessary for my daughter and even for any student. Now, I want to know about the school environment. Is it calm or is it crowded? Us, we live in a traffic area, so I don't want that my daughter would be distracted from the traffic and the noise.
So our school is located in a quite peaceful area, away from city noise. This calm environment helps students to concentrate on their studies and also reducing distractions. All these things making it an ideal place for a learning focus.
That's good to hear. Having a calm environment is really necessary for concentration. Now, I am curious to know about the quality of teachers. It is not just about having well qualified teachers, but whether they can connect up with the students or help them to grow.
Teachers. Our teachers are carefully selected not only for their educational qualifications but also for their passion for teaching. We have teachers with their innovative ways of teaching and they teach with fun so that students also enjoy their school life.
That's reassuring. Having a dedicated and hard worker teaching staff is really crucial. Now, I would like to say that the most of the development of the students depends on the teachers. So it is reassuring. Having a dedicated and hard worker teaching staff is really very crucial. As the most of the development depends on the teachers. Now, I would like to know about your morning assembly. As the morning assembly laid the foundation for whole the day. So, what's in your morning assembly?
So morning assembly is a vital part of our school culture. In our assembly, students provide spiritual songs, moral stories, and so many things. And surprisingly, our teacher also take parts in these assemblies with their great experience and precious motivation. It sets a positive tone for overall day.
It sounds like your assembly plays a very positive way and work a very done. It sounds like your assembly does a great job. And as you said, that teachers also participate in assembly and motivates the students through their speeches is like a cherry on the cake. Now, another thing about that I am concerned is the class sizes. Are they enough small to pay the needed attention to each and every student?
So we have smaller class sizes. That allows our teachers to pay one-on-one attention to every student's need and helping them excel both academically and personally.
Wow, it's great to hear. Personalized attention is really very necessary for development. And as you said, it sounds like your school has also emphasized on it. Now, can you tell me what your school do to encourage the responsibility and leadership in the students?
So we provide a wide range of opportunities to students to take responsibilities and leadership roles, such as morning assembly, sports program, cultural events, and so many things. These types of activity help the student to develop their confidence and leadership qualities.
I appreciate all the information and I am impressed. I will definitely discuss it with my family and I will consider to enroll my son, my daughter in your school.
Thank you. We are looking forward with open heart to welcome a curious learner in our school.
Thank you, Principal, for giving me time.
जय श्री कृष्ण सर.
Jai Shri Krishna.
पधारिए.